Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for your support, okay? Please like the video for me and smash the subscribe button, okay? And if you're not a Patreon, definitely get involved in the Patreon. Take advantage of all that content. So you can see here, XRP is coming down in this sort of channel, isn't it? This descending channel. You know, obviously, if you start to lose support here, you're going to come down, have a more of a correction, start to create your W bottom down here and then break out. But what we're looking for here for XRP is the break of this blue line. You see this blue line, okay? That's a 10 EMA on the daily time frame. You run into it, run into it, run into it, run into it. As you did here, look, run into it, run into it, run into it. Once you get above it, wow, you know, if you start to come back above that, that could be a go signal for XRP to come up and retest that line at least, okay? And that would be amazing, absolutely amazing. But obviously, you know, the market can roll and shit itself, and this is what it does. You know, Bitcoin, if Bitcoin decides to have a tank and go down to find another key level support, then unfortunately it's going to drag XRP down with it. This is how it all works, basically. So I think that an absolute rock bottom here for XRP, obviously, you know, this is looking quite tasty, coming down, get the bounce, you know, break out, beautiful. But if we do start to, you know, continually hit our head here and we run into this resistance to support and we're calling up and we pop out of here, then I would anticipate just put some cheeky bids on the 786 at 63 cents. That would be a nice level of support right there, where potentially come down, bounce, there's your B shape, and then you break that resistance and you're looking to go long. Because, you know, if you do get an entry point down there, come back up to that is a whopping, you know, over 70% long opportunity right there for XRP, and I do think it'll move quite impulsively as well. You know, if we look in this particular correction here, what we did for XRP, we came down, consolidated, one leg, W bottom. Look, came down, consolidated, one leg, W bottom. Now we've come down, we've consolidated, potentially, given that structure right there, level of consolidation, level of consolidation, level of consolidation. We could be looking for one kind of last little leg. You know, if we're lucky, get some cheeky bids down there, because that would be your V shape. Look at that V shape, boom, and ride it up. I mean, this low down here, wow, you know, up to there, to that white line, was a whopping 152% long opportunity, and I gave everybody that, and it was very, very fruitful. So right now I'm telling you, potentially, if XRP rolls again, this could be an amazing op down here, an amazing op, and it still is a higher low. Okay, it still is a higher low. You know, it is, you got your low here and you got your low here, and you're still creating a higher low, and you're still coiling up inside this beautiful pattern here, this continuation pattern, that once you break that resistance, you're looking to go long, aren't you? So, you know, what I'm saying here is I don't necessarily think the bottom's in, because purely, you know, you can see we've rolled here about any kind of level of consolidation, and you do usually see a midpoint consolidation. Come down, consolidate, break down again, okay? And then come down here, consolidate, break down again, you know, and here, fell to the earth, consolidate, break down again, double bottom, out of here. So we could be sort of mirroring these corrections at the moment, where we're looking for some kind of leg down, consolidate, then a last leg down, consolidate, and then break up. So, you know, if you do start to see XRP roll, just put some cheeky bids on the 786 at 63. Let's not be greedy. 64 cents, basically, 64 cents. So this particular event here is crunch. Something will give in towards the apex of this descending channel. Sorry, this level of resistance and this level of support. Something is going to give here for XRP over the next few days here for XRP. Okay, so like I said to you, break out, beautiful. Break that 10 EMA right there. Set a juice a little long. You're going to ride it up to that white line. But if you do come down here, fantastic entry point, ride it up to that white line. Either way, I do think we're looking at a retest of that white line before, you know, the doom bear market comes that everyone's calling for. Don't necessarily think we're in a bear market, to be honest with you. So that's basically XRP. Hope you enjoyed that quick, swift update today. Thank you for your support. Please take advantage of the Patreon, and please, if you're doing any sort of trading and looking to long this or short it or whatever you want to do, you know, then do use Bybit. The link's in each and every single video description. Okay, take care, everyone. Bye bye.